Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about new scenario in Power BI. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI and DAX, and integration services. So now I'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report and all. So in last video, I explained about how to design the report using bookmarks and all. So this is a second video in the bookmark section. There are 6 videos I used to publish on bookmark. So this is the second one. So now let's try to understand. So here we can see that there are 2 pages. One is main page and icon bookmark page. So here the requirement is, based on the country selection, I need to display the respective top customers, top product sales. For example, if I go to the second page, so now you can see that there are top 5 products as well as top 5 customers. So for the respective selection, like where you select Canada, France, Germany, UK, USA, whatever the country you are selecting, based on that I'm trying to display the respective sales amount in terms of like a customer name wise as well as product. In this chart I'm displaying the tax amount as well as sales amount. So now I'll try to do experiment whether it is correctly working or not. We'll try to see that. So for example, if I select on this country, now it is switching back to the different place. Here we can see that for that country I'm displaying the product sales. Again here also top 5 customer sales. Okay, here I'm just displaying the sales amount, tax amount. Again if we switch back to the home page, just we can click on the back button, automatically the control will go to the main page. Again if we select some other country, just click on that. Now we'll see difference. Okay, so based on each selection we are displaying the respective customer wise sales and product wise sales, even tax amount also. Okay, it's working in a dynamic nature. So now you can see difference. So we'll try to understand what kind of logic I have used for getting this output on. It's very simple only. Go to demo measures. Now top 5 customers. So try to zoom in. So here I just declare 2 variables. In the first variable I'm using the rank X. So I'm trying to find each customer wise ranking based on the sales amount in descending order. So even I written a condition hard coding that I want to display the each country wise top 5 customer sales. Okay, this is the customer wise. Same thing I implemented for the product also. Okay, let's try to understand. So now you can see top 5 products. So same thing. Okay, instead of customer name I'm just using the product name, that's it. So here also I'm giving the hard coding value. Even you can make it dynamic nature also by disconnect a table like top 3, 5, 7, something like that. We have done many videos, so if you did not watch, so try to have a look so that you'll get a better understanding on different kind of scenarios in DAX point of view. Okay, so even we'll check the what are the bookmarks I have implemented. Go to the EU, so bookmark selection pane. Now you can see there are 6 bookmarks I have created: Canada, France, Germany, UK, USA, something like that. Okay, so based on the selection we are displaying the respective country, respective customer and the product sales and all, like top 5 on. So this is the second video. There are still 4 more videos are left, so I'll try to publish next video. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys.